Subscribe to Movie Learnings and click on the bell icon to get notification on all new travel videos.
Himachal Pradesh is known for numerous reasons, including its beautiful landscapes, hill stations and beautiful temples. Bir is a small village located on the west of Jogindarnagar Valley in Himachal Pradesh. While it may be a small region contributing towards Himachal's endless beauty, you will be surprised by how much it has to offer, so let's go. 1. Visit Sherab Ling Monastery. As mentioned previously, Bir is recognized as the place where spiritual studies prevail, as well. Out of the many serene holy temples in Bir is Sherab Ling Monastery. It is surrounded by beautiful forests, and discovering a long, spanning philosophy is what you must expect at this place. 2. Hand gliding. Out of the many activities to do in Bir in terms of recreational sports is hand gliding. However, hand gliding requires participation. There are numerous organizations that will be able to help you through that. 3. Enjoy Bir Tea Factory. Bir Tea Factory is located near Bir Bazaar. As the name suggests, it manufactures tea. Quite naturally, you can expect beautiful tea gardens and plantations brimming around the region. What's exciting is that tourists are actually allowed inside for an insight into the tea manufacturing process. 4. Teachings at Dharmaya Institute. Another eco-institute that you can visit is the Dharmaya Institute. There are a number of environmental activities that you can enroll yourself into, such as organic farming, green building and meditation, among others, to make productive use of your time in Bir. 5. Attend events. There are a number of events taking place in Bir all around the year. For instance, there is a service learning workshop in vernacular architecture of Himalayas that is scheduled to take place between the 15th and 29th of October this year. With a little research, you can easily find more events that you can participate in. 6. Visit the Himalayan Film School. Are you a movie buff? Well, even if you aren't, we are sure you will appreciate the different and unique film festivals and movie-making workshops that are conducted by the Himalayan Film School, and qualifies as one of the must-have experiences in Bir. 7. Spa with Aryamarga. Along with different yoga activities, Aryamarga also offers spa services. Be sure to experience absolute relaxation through this. 8. Leisure walk by Bir River. Make time to take a leisure walk by the Bir River as well. There are waterfalls and river pools that you will surely enjoy spending time at. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comments this video with your friends.